I've had partnerships with local business owners, whereas
I like that.
we'll organize events at their establishments or maybe at the dealership if they didn't have one so easily accessible. And usually we'll have a select group of people there. I've run a community Facebook group myself, and it's for my own little area where I live. And we would have these little meetups where it was, maybe open to the first 50 people that would RSVP. And
Yep.
you would have this list of people a lot of times that would love this as a social engagement. We do it once a month. So it was, maybe we had a night at Big Joe's where we would go out and we would try all the latest things and new recipes he's coming out with and things like that. So we would have a little hangout, and he would cater the event because I'm bringing people into him who are going to come back to him as part of the whole deal. But then we would also have door prizes from other people who wanted
Hmm.
to participate in that and have them over as well to talk about. And of course, we did like a speed dating round too, where everybody would get a chance to talk about their business for a few seconds. So we would go live from the event as well, so that people would see what they were missing out on if they didn't come into the event. And it just grew into this big thing where everybody wants to join in and participate, and the event is full up with our RSVPs every time that we'd have it. So that was a great way to have community where people got to know me and what
Hmm.
I'm doing, but also give back to the community, and that everybody else could get involved and kind of bring a little bit more closeness together for everybody.